on Android, but you can do the exact process on your iPhone too. The first thing you need to do is log on Spotify and log into your account. After doing that, you will select the music that you want to change the music cover, okay? I will use this one just for example, but you need to find the music that you want to change the music cover, okay? So click on these three dots right here, swipe down and find for share. Click on top, share on your stories, okay? So click on stories, and here you will see the cover of the music, okay? To change the cover, you just need to click on the second option at the top right corner and find for this option right here, okay? So you need to swipe down until you find this option, click on top and select the cover that you want to put on your story. I will use this photo just for example, but obviously you select the photo that you want to put on your cover, okay? After doing that, you can share your story, and that's it. You already changed your music cover on Instagram story.